Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure the Zebra to generate side-by-side insurance quotes step by step clearly. To configure the Zebra to generate side-by-side insurance quotes, begin by visiting the Zebra's official website. Once on the home page, locate the search bar prominently displayed. Enter your zip code in the provided field and click on the Get Quotes button. You will be directed to a page where you can input your personal information. Fill in your details accurately, including your name, address, and date of birth. Next, provide information about your vehicle, including make, model, and year. Continue by answering specific questions related to your driving history. This may include previous insurance coverage, any accidents, and traffic violations. Once you have entered all the necessary information, review your details for accuracy. After confirming your information is correct, click on the button to proceed to the Quotes page. On the Quotes page, you will see various insurance options displayed side by side. Take your time to compare the coverage, premiums, and deductibles for each quote. If needed, adjust the coverage levels or add additional options to refine your search. As you make adjustments, the quotes will update automatically to reflect your choices. Once you've found the right insurance coverage for your needs, select the quote of your choice. Follow the prompts to complete the application or proceed with the purchase. Keep your confirmation details handy for future reference. That's it. You have successfully configured the Zebra to generate side-by-side insurance quotes. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.